Treating your spa doesn't need to be complicated. I'm going to run through the products in the AquaSPArkle Complete Spa Starter Kit. To keep your water healthy, clean and inviting, it's important that you treat it correctly and regularly with chemicals. This will keep the water balanced, prevent and kill bacteria to ensure that the water is safe, comfortable and sparkling clear for you and your family to enjoy. The AquaSPArkle Complete Spa Starter Kit provides you with all of the necessary products to get you started, from balancing the spa water through to cleaning the cartridge filter. Before testing takes place, make sure that the water is still. To test your spa water, use the 4-way test strips included in the starter kit. They should be used daily to check the sanitizer, pH and total alkalinity levels of your spa water. They are extremely easy to use. Remove a test strip from the pot, making sure that you don't touch any of the colour pads with your fingers. Dip the test strip into the spa water and remove immediately. Hold level for 15 seconds. Then compare the chlorine or bromine pad first with the colour chart on the test strip pot, followed by the pH and total alkalinity. Make a note of the test results. They will highlight whether you need to adjust the sanitizer, pH or total alkalinity levels of your spa water. Without regular testing, it's really just guesswork. Remember, never to mix chemicals together. Always add chemicals to water, never the other way round. Check the way the wind is blowing when adding chemicals to an outdoor spa. Wear protective clothing as required. Store chemicals in a responsible manner in a cool, dry place. As soon as the spa is filled with water, you need to make sure that there is sufficient sanitizer added to maintain safe and healthy water. For an average size spa with 1,000 litres, you need to apply approximately 1 to 2 teaspoons or 5 to 10 grams of chlorine or bromine granules per day. The dosage will vary around these levels and are affected by the size of the spa, usage and water temperature. The granules can be applied directly to the spa if the water is above 20 degrees C. If in doubt, pre-dissolve in a clean container using some clean, warm water and apply the solution carefully to the spa. The chlorine or bromine level can easily be monitored using the AquaSPArkle 4-way test strips included in the starter kit, and you should aim for a level of 3 to 5 parts per million, also known as ppm. Once you have sanitised the water, you need to ensure that you also maintain the pH and total alkalinity levels of your spa water. This is sometimes known as getting the water balanced. pH should be kept within the range of 7.2 to 7.6. This will ensure that the spa water is comfortable, kind to your spa equipment and ensures the chemicals are used efficiently. Regular testing using the AquaSPArkle 4-way test strips will determine whether you need to adjust the pH. If the pH is above 7.6, this is considered too high. To lower the level, you need to apply approximately 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of spa pH- for an average size spa. After adding the spa pH-, wait for 30 minutes, retest and then repeat if required. If the pH is below 7.2, this is considered too low. To increase the level, you need to apply approximately 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of spa pH+ for an average size spa. After adding the spa pH+, wait 30 minutes, retest and then repeat if required. It may be necessary to add a couple of doses of either pH- or pH+, but it's always best to adjust the pH in small doses. Once you have mastered the pH, it's worthwhile ensuring that the total alkalinity is also in the correct range. This helps stabilise or buffer the pH against large movements. If the total alkalinity is below 80 parts per million, use the AquaSPArkle TA+ to increase it. Once a week, we recommend that you oxidise or shock dose your spa water. This freshens up the water and helps remove any build-up of bather wastes. It is really easy to oxidise your spa water. Simply take a 35-gram sachet of AquaSPArkle Spa Fusion, snip off the corner with a pair of scissors and carefully dispense the contents directly into the spa, close to the water surface. After applying the SPA Fusion, it's advisable to leave the SPA lid off for an hour to allow the SPA Fusion to do its job and begin to dissipate. Every month we recommend that you give your filter cartridge a really thorough chemical clean to remove grease, oils and debris that the filter has collected. You can do this easily using the AquaSPArkle Immerse sachet supplied in the starter kit. Fill a clean plastic bucket with water, sufficient to cover the filter cartridge. Apply the sachet of Immerse into the water and stir well to make up the cleaning solution. Submerge the filter cartridge into the solution and leave for 8 hours or overnight. Carefully remove the filter cartridge from the cleaning solution and rinse with plenty of fresh water. For best results, allow cartridge to dry and then put back into operation. So, for a quick recap, each day, test the sanitizer and pH levels and adjust accordingly. Every week, oxidize a hot tub water using AquaSPArkle SPA Fusion. Every month, clean the filter cartridges using the AquaSPArkle Immerse. For advice on draining or refilling your SPA, contact your SPA supplier.